Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the best tool to cover your cake in buttercream, okay? So it's going to cover your cake in seconds. I will show you now. It is very easy to apply smooth, beautiful buttercreams on your cakes using this simple nozzle. Yeah, in this video I will show you a quick and effortless way to decorate your cakes that saves you time and gives you professional looking results. Whatever you are, a beginner or a baker already, it doesn't matter. So this technique will help you to create stunning buttercream finishings and less rustle. I'll say goodbye to uneven frosting and hello to perfectly piped cakes every time. Just make sure the position of your nozzle on your cake and say goodbye to uneven frosting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave it below. Thank you.